Hi, welcome to at Steffi's. Today I bring you a very special recipe. And why is it special? Because it is delicious, super easy, and also perfect to share as a couple, especially with some wine. Today I bring you cheese fondue. I love this recipe because, as I told you, it is not complicated to make and we can enjoy it while we talk and share with our partner or friends. So let's see how to prepare this cheese fondue. Let's go! The first thing we're going to do is cut a clove of garlic and rub it all over the inside of the fondue pot so that the garlic impregnates its aroma. For this recipe, I recommend using a fondue pot. If you don't have one, you can use a conventional pot, but with a fondue pot, it will be easier to keep the temperature of cheese where you eat it. Some people cook it in a pot and then put it in the fondue pot to eat, but I prepare it right here. We will set the fondue pot at medium heat and add a cup and a quarter of white wine. When it starts to bubble a little, add 200 grams of grated Gouda cheese, 300 grams of Gruyere, and 200 grams of grated Fontina cheese. You can substitute the Fontina cheese for more Gouda or Edam cheese. We're going to stir until the cheeses melt. Finally, we can add a little pepper and grated nutmeg. I recommend using the latter because it gives a spectacular touch to the fondue. Done! Now we are going to prepare the sides for this delicious cheese fondue. Cheese fondue is usually enjoyed with bread. In fact, it is the best side for this recipe. You can use French bread, whole wheat bread, whatever you want. Just make sure it is a firm bread and cut it into squares, not too big nor too small, just like this one. I also have small baked potatoes, which are very yummy. I chop them, add olive oil, salt, pepper, some herbs, and put them in the oven. Another side that I have around here, and it's perfect, is apples. In short, you can choose any fruit, vegetable, it even goes very well with meats or sausages. Just make sure the vegetable or fruits you choose are not too soft so they don't fall apart inside the fondue. Well, this is how our cheese fondue turned out. I hope you can make it and enjoy it with that special someone. If you like this recipe, remember to subscribe to my channel where you can see more delicious recipes. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I look forward to the next recipe here at Steffi's. Ciao!